What's going on, future entrepreneurs? I am back with another COTPS update. For those of you looking at the screen right now, you probably already know the title of this video. You probably already saw my thumbnail, so you know what the video is about. So go ahead and read the disclaimer. It's up to you. You can pause it. I can read it, or probably not. Come back and read it. Probably everybody's going to read it now because of what's going on, but you can read it. You can pause it. You can come back. Read it in your own convenient time. Let's get into the reason for today's video, which is the COTPS system. Is the site still working? Let's see. COTPS.com. I'm on the transaction hall page. Let's hit the refresh button. Let's see. The site looks like it's still working. So, okay, so right now the site is still working. It's around 8:41 a.m. on January 3rd, March 8th. This is May the 20th. Yeah, I don't know what month it is. But it is 8:41 on May the 21st. Come down here, and my last transaction was around 7:23 a.m. this morning. And yes, I'm still letting the system run. Yes, I'm still letting my money compound. No, there's nobody. I'm not referring the system. No, I've stopped all people that been trying to join from joining. If there's links in other videos, I hadn't been able to have the chance to really much take them all down. The only thing I can do is just try to warn you guys is don't join, don't join, don't join. I'm just making my videos to show you what's going on my account. What you can see is still making money. This site is still working. I'm going to show you guys another site that I learned about yesterday that actually, surprised the heck out of me. SwapNext, which is another system that is similar to the COTPS. When you click on their particular website, it goes to cotps.net. That's crazy. Now, if people are saying they scammed out, they exit scam, but they did whatever, but they left their followers and their members a message telling them that that they were actually using COTPS's wallets to do trades, which was, I have no idea why they would do that, but SwapNext was using COTPS for their trades, and then before they left on their what was it? Was it whatever form they were using to communicate with the guys? I forget the name of it. It's slipping my mind right now. But they told them that COTPS was the reason they couldn't give them their money back. And they pretty much, when you go to their site, it pretty much just redirects to cotps.net, which is crazy to me. But that's what they did, and that's what kind of things they were on when they decided to exit. And of course, they're called exit scams and rug pulls, but we don't know what the ins and outs. They decided to leave and they're closed down, but COTPS is still up, and as of now, it's running. And I'm still going to make my videos. The people in the comment section say, well, this guy must don't have a clue. He doesn't know what's going on. Apparently, they're not watching the videos. They're just speculating in the comment section, which is, that's fine. As long as you're not being disrespectful in the comment section, as long as you're not being spammed by trying to take people into other locations and trying to, send someone to another group where you're trying to scam them, saying you make 5 Bitcoins on yesterday. I'm okay with people coming in the comment section. I have no issues with that, guys. So I won't be turning my comment section off. I'll just be deleting the comments of the people who are being disrespectful, or either those who are spamming the comment section with foolishness. But most of the time, I don't. I let people say what they have to say. I'm not here trying to hide. I'm not trying to run. I'm not condoning COTPS if they do decide to leave. But it would be nice if they were to open back up. There's people who have hundreds of thousands of dollars in COTPS. There's a guy who has like 700,000. There's a guy who has 100,000. There's a guy who has $500,000. So my little small account with $6,000 compares very little to those guys. I don't know if they're panicking because I haven't really looked to watch their videos. But enough of that rambling. Let me go ahead and show you guys right now let me pull up my statistics as I normally do on every video. Let me go ahead and click on my LibreOffice stat sheet, my daily results. And I'm also going to be making a video later on today with my with ClickBank. I'm going to be making another video showing the SMS to see if it has been resolved, because they were told us it would be Thursday. Well, no, Wednesday. They said it was going to be Wednesday, and it is now Friday. So I will check again and show you guys if the SMS is resolved or not, or if it's still an issue. I would make that probably my next video. But let's continue on with this one. So right now we're at 63.93. Let's go ahead and input that in, 6393. And as always, let's go ahead and put out our calculator so we can do the math on that. Because we like doing stats, we like doing the numbers. I like showing you what's going on with the numbers and how much is being profited every day. And again, don't join. I'm just showing you guys on the account. There is an SMS issue going on for those of you who are new to what I'm doing here. I'm not referring to program. I'm just showing my results. As long as the site is up, I'm still going to be showing my results. So 6393 minus 6148, and that comes to 245. So again, we have a new high, which is 245, the highest in the last 5 days. It was the highest at first was 215. Now the high on day 55 is 245. And let's see what that percent is going to be for the day of the last 24-hour period. We're going to divide that by the 6393. That comes to 3.83%. So I haven't really got any past 4%, which is absolutely fine. I'm okay with making these profits. And I forgot to put the 0. The 0 is pretty much representing how many trades I've missed, because I have the automation on, and which is doing all the trades for me. So I haven't missed any trades in the last couple weeks, because I haven't really had a reason to turn it off or turn it back. Just turn it off to do what I have to do. Ooh, excuse me. But that's it. That's it for the stats. Guys, go ahead and give me the LNS special. Hit the like button. Hit the subscribe button. Also, I sometimes say give me the HBO special, which is just a help a brother out special. Hit the like button, subscribe, hit the notification bell, just in case you wanna. I know you got some. If you're here watching my video, you're more than likely like what I'm putting out. So this is not the only type of content I'm going to be putting out. I'm going to be doing more content coming up in the next couple of weeks. I'm trying to get all my ducks in a row before I make those videos for you. But I will be making another COTPS video with the SMS issue, talking about that in just a minute. Thank you guys. Passive Income Trucker. I'm out.